Talon allows for command chaining, which means I can say a lot of commands one right after another, and when I stop speaking, Talon will execute those commands one right after another. For example, Talon wake. Focus notepad. Air, bat, cat, drum, sentence. This is a command chain. Clear line. Talon sleep. However, sometimes I do not want to allow commands to be chained together. In order to prevent this, I can force a pause. I can force a pause either at the beginning of a specific command, at the end of a specific command, or at both the beginning and the end of a specific command. This is called anchoring the commands. And now I'm going to create a command with anchors. The caret symbol is the symbol for anchoring a command at the beginning and forcing you to pause before you say that command. The $sign is the symbol for anchoring a command at the end and forces you to pause after the command in order to get that command to trigger. Talon wake. Caret. Time to pause. Say time to pause. $sign. Colon. Inside quotes. Sentence pause, comma, take a deep breath, comma, and break the chain, period. Space. Go right. Enter. Enter. Control Sun. Talon sleep. Now I have a command that has anchors. It's time to test it. When I say time to pause with a pause both at the beginning and the end, it should print out pause, take a deep breath, and break the chain. When I say I'm in the middle of a sentence and it's time to pause, nothing should happen because I said the it's time to pause in the middle of a sentence. Let's test this. Talon wake. Time to pause. I'm in the middle of a sentence and it's time to pause. Talon sleep. So both of those worked correctly, and the reason why the second one printed out something was because I used the command sentence. Talon wake. Clear line. Clear line. Talon sleep.